Good afternoon, students. Now is the time for your computer class, and I am your computer teacher, Ashutosh Kumar Misra. So, I am continuing lesson 2 Input, Output, and Storage Unit. So, in my earlier videos, I discussed about the different input devices. The different input device that I discussed in my earlier videos were keyboards, the different types of keyboard, mouse, the different types of mouse, joystick, light pen, or we can also say the other name of light pen stylus, scanner, the different types of scanner, digitizer, microphone, magnetic ink card reader, optical character reader, optical mark reader, barcode reader, magnetic reader, digital camera, web camera. In my last videos, I also discussed about some of the output devices like monitor, speaker, plotter, projector. But some of the students asked me to explain the topic monitor again. So here I am going to explain the topic monitor. So all of you must have seen the monitor in your computer lab. It looks just like a TV, the television screen that we have in our home. It looks just like that. It is the main output device of the computer that displays the information in the pictorial form, in the form of picture. It is also, the other name of monitor is visual display unit, VDU. So it forms images by using tiny dots called pixels that are arranged in a regular form. The tiny dots are like this. These are the tiny dots that are arranged in the form of rectangular. These are the tiny dots. These are known as pixels. These tiny dots are known as pixels. So the output that is displayed on the monitor is called soft copy. So the different types of monitor that we have is number 1, CRT, cathode ray tube. Cathode ray tube. The full form of CRT is cathode ray tube. The technology of the cathode ray tube is the very oldest one. It has been used for many years in computer, in television sets, and in other devices. Everyone know these types of monitors. The CRT monitor is quite big with a hemispheric screen. Nowadays they are quite rare, and even though they are much cheaper than the other new, if we want to modify, it will be costly because we have to spend a lot of money in their repairing. So because of the lack of obsolete details, so it will be a costly one. Such monitors like CRT monitor provide a high quality of picture, but the main drawback of the CRT monitor is their big size and heaviness. They generally produce a lot of warmth and consume much electricity than the modern monitors. Now the next topic that we are going to discuss is LED. So LED is very popular tool nowadays. It consumes very less electricity and retains a low temperature even after long hour of performance and high load. After working for long hours also, it does not get hotter and the temperature generally is low over here. That is why the LED type displays are used in TV screen and monitors. The picture here are very bright and vibrant. It is also used in household light source. Next type of monitor that we are going to discuss is LCD. The full form of LCD is liquid crystal display, and the full form of LED is light emitting diode. So LCD is a glass plate with a liquid crystal inside it. The crystal react to the electric signal and change color with the traditional RGB, R for red, G for green and B for blue scheme. It uses TFT, thin film transistor. The full form of TFT is thin film transistor technology. It uses very small amount of electric power, but the main drawback here is inability to retain the high quality of image when viewed from the side angle. That is, when we view the LCD screen from the sidewise, it is unable to maintain the high quality of image. This is the drawback of LCD. So here I discussed the monitor and its three types. So again, one of my students asked me to explain the topic plotter again. So plotter is just like a printer, so that interprets the command from the computer. It interprets the command that is given from a computer to make line drawing on a paper with one or more pens. Plotter is a computer hardware. It is much like a printer that is used for printing graphics. So instead of toner, plotter uses a pen or pencil or marker to draw multiple continuous lines onto the paper rather than a series of dots like the printer. Two main types of plotters are drum plotter and flatbed plotter. Drum plotter is also called roller plotter. It spins the paper back and forth on a cylindrical drum, while ink pen moves left and right. The plotters are more expensive than printers. So this was a topic about the plotter. So now we will be discussing about the headphones. So the headphones are small loudspeaker that are designed to be worn on the user ears. The other name of headphone is ear speakers or earphone. Only a single person can listen to it, can listen the music from a computer with the help of headphone at a particular time. All of you must have headphones in your home, which we use to hear the music or audio. We also use the headphone whenever we are speaking to someone. The next topic that we are going to discuss is projector. Projector is generally used to produce the computer output on a big screen. Whenever we want the computer output on a big screen, we use projector. It is mostly used in the meeting rooms or in classrooms to give presentations, etc. Now we are going to discuss about the printer. So all of you must have seen the printer. So what is printer? It is an output device that prints the output on a piece of paper. The output that is obtained on a piece of paper is called the hard copy. So there are basically two categories of printer. Number one, impact printer. Number two, non-impact printer. Printer is an output device that is generally used to print the output on a paper. It is also called hard copy. Two types of printer are impact printer and non-impact printer. So what is impact printer? The impact printer is the oldest type of printer, but is still in use because of its cost. So it has low cost printing. It prints character by striking the printing head on the paper, and it prints character by character. The impact printer is also known as character printer. There are three types of impact printer: dot matrix printer, daisy wheel printer, line printer. Next we have non-impact printer. The non-impact printer prints slow due to the mechanical movement slowly. The non-impact printer prints slow because of the slow mechanical movement. So here the quality of printout is very high. It does not produce much noise. It prints colored images and graphics and moreover here it create an image that do not actually involve touching the paper. So these are the basic difference between the impact and the non-impact printer. The impact printer is the oldest printer. It is still in use. It is low cost. So here it is, the other name of impact printer is character printer. It prints by striking the printing head on the paper, character by character, whereas non-impact printer generally prints slowly because of the slow mechanical movement of print head. So here it generally does not touch the paper. For printing purpose, it produces high quality paper, high quality output without noise, and moreover it also print colored images and graphics. Now we come to the different types of impact printer. The first type of impact printer that we are going to discuss is dot matrix printer. The dot matrix printer are not sensitive to dust. This means that the dust generally does not have great impact on dot matrix printer. They are very ideal for producing carbon copies. In dot matrix printer, we generally have intermittently pulled. Generally, in this type of printer, the paper is pressed against a drum and is pulled toward the printing progress. So, a dot matrix printer generally it is used for producing carbon copies. In this type of printer, the paper is pressed against a drum and is intermittently pulled toward the printing progress. This was the dot matrix printer. Next we have daisy wheel printer. It works just like a typewriter. The print head here is composed of several plastic wheels that is cut into petals. So like here, the plastic wheels that is cut into petals. Petals means like this one. So here like this one. So each petals forms a letter, number or punctuation. Say suppose here it is 1, A, here it is A, it is 1, it is comma. So these petals generally consist of letters. The letter can be capital or lowercase, numbers or punctuation mark. When the petal is struck against the ribbon head, suppose we are having the ribbon head over here. This is the ribbon head, and with the ribbon head the paper is attached. And whenever this petal is pulled, it is pushed to the ribbon head and the ribbon head touches the paper. So whatever alphabet, number or punctuation is over the petals, that will be printed on the paper. The next type of printer that we are having is line printer. So line printer is very much similar to the daisy wheel printer. But the main difference here is that the line printer is much fast compared to the dot matrix or daisy wheel printer. The line printer is very fast compared to the dot matrix printer. The line printer allows multiple characters to be printed on the same line. In a same line, multiple characters can be printed in the line printer. So this was the line printer. So in this video, we discussed about the printer, the types of printer, impact and non-impact, the type of impact printer like dot matrix printer, daisy wheel printer and line printer. Thank you.